अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन विच इकोनॉमी द गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड्स दैट how many resources have to be generated and how the resources should be allocated. Planned economy. Next, which of the following is an example of genetic industry? Poultry farm. Next, the first stage in evolution of business is globalization. A major disadvantage of the corporate form of organization is the dash double taxation of dividends. What is another name of individual partnership? Sole proprietorship. Which of the following is not the characteristic of a business? Monetary benefits. Not characteristic. Next, the first annual general meeting should be held with the dash of incorporation of a company. 18-month. The first annual general meeting should be held with the dash of incorporation of a company. 18-month. Next, which of the following is the growth rate of GDP adjusted for inflation and changes in the value of country's currency? Real growth rate. Real growth rate. Next, a phenomenon in which a person searches for an opportunity and try to avail it is called entrepreneurship. On which of the following dates company's ordinance came into force? January 1, 1985. 1 जनवरी 1985. Next, which of the following is not the type of partnership? Joint partnership. ये पार्टनरशिप की किस्म नहीं है. Next, who signs the documents on behalf of the joint stock company? Chief Executive Officer. Which of the following is not a benefit of partnership? Unlimited liability. Which of the following is not a benefit of partnership? Unlimited liability. Next, auditors are generally appointed and their remuneration fixed at the directors meeting. Next, profit distributed among shareholders is called dividend. The policy regarding government revenues and expenditure is known as fiscal policy. Next, which of the following is the growth rate of GDP adjusted for inflation and changes is the value of country's currency? Real growth rate. पहले भी आ चुका है ये. Next, a period of business cycle that is characterized by high level turnover may the period of recession. Which of the following is not specifically categorized as secondary industry, foreign industry. Which of the following is the characteristic that should exist to recognize a partnership business? There must be a written agreement. In which economy the government decides that how many resources have to be generated and how the resources should be allocated? Planned economy, ये भी पहले आ चुका है. Statutory meeting must be held within dash of the economy dash of the commencement of the business. Three month to 6 month. ये नजर नहीं आ रहा, मेरी आवाज सुने. The low rating to joint stock companies has been laid in Companies Ordinance 1984 1984. दोबारा सुने. The low rating to joint stock companies has been laid in Companies Ordinance 1984 1984. लो रेटिंग हुई थी जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी की. नेक्स्ट, a statutory report must be sent to every member of the company at last dash days before the meeting is to be held. 21 days 21 दिन. Which of the following business firm has the shortest life span? इधर लाइफ आना था, लाइफ स्पेन. इसका आएगा सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. सबसे कम सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप होती है, इसकी जिंदगी कम होती है. नेक्स्ट, election of directors and appointment of auditors is the object of dash annual general meeting. Which of the following documents contains the name and address of the joint stock company? Memorandum of association. Memorandum of association जिसमें address और name. Next, which of the following document is not required by the private limited company? Certificate of incorporation. Next, which of the following is not the type of partnership? कौन सी किस्म नहीं है पार्टनरशिप की? जॉइंट पार्टनरशिप. नेक्स्ट, who signed the document on behalf of the joint stock company? Chief executive officer. Next, for a private limited company, minimum number of members are 2. A phenomenon in which a person searches for an opportunity and try to avail it is called entrepreneurship. In which of the following industry raw material is converted into finished or semi-finished goods? Manufacturing. Next, in which meeting for the joint stock company the board of directors is elected by the shareholders? Annual general meeting. Next, the registration of a joint stock company is compulsory. बी दुरुस्त है, कंपल्सरी आएगा. नेक्स्ट, द नोटिस ऑफ द statutory meeting must be sent to each dash at least dash before the meeting. Shareholders 21 days. Next, profit distributed among shareholders is called dividend. Next, economists and policy makers are interested in demographic attribute to determine the. इसका आ जाएगा all of the above options. इसमें मुझे डाउट है, सर्च करें आप इसे और कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बताएं इसका यही है. मुझे तो यही लगता है. सप्ली पार्टनर्स, स्किल लेबर फोर्स, डिमांड पार्टनर्स, ऑल ऑफ द गिवन ऑप्शन ही आएगा इसका. नेक्स्ट, द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन पर्सन हु हैव agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all is called partnership. Next, which of the following is not a benefit of partnership? Monetary protection. Monetary protection benefit नहीं है, but textile facility, unlimited liability, distribution of work, ये इसके advantage हैं, फायदे हैं ये इसके. Next, which of the following is not the attribute of the demographic environment? इसका आ जाएगा ऑप्शन डी, पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी. Next, which of the following condition must be fulfilled to obtain the certificate of commencement? इसका आ जाएगा all of the above options. Issuance of prospectus, allotment of share, minimum subscription. Option D is correct. Next, issuing shares and debentures belong to the dash of the company. Capital subscription. Option C is correct. Which of the following is the specific characteristic of partnership business? Limited liability. Option all of the above, all of the given above. इसका आएगा all of the given above. Option D is correct. Next चलते हैं. The notice calling the annual general meeting must be given to all its members at least dash days before the date of the meeting. 21 days. 21 दिन पहले. Next, a document that contains rules and regulation of the company. All of given option: prospectus, memorandum of the company, articles of association. Option D is correct. All of the given option. A document that contains the terms and condition of the business. Partnership deed. यहाँ हमारे 50 क्वेश्चन पूरे हो जाते हैं, 50 MCQs. अगर जी आप पढ़ लेते हैं तो आपके 10 क्विज में से 7-8 इंशाल्लाह इसी में से आएंगे. अच्छे से पढ़िएगा और मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब एड एंड MCQs को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको मोर वीडियो मिल सकें. तो अगली वीडियो तक के लिए इजाज़त दें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।